Okay, this is our 2019 Lincoln MKT with 36,000 mile that we were having problem with it for the last 2 years. The final resolution, we found that it was extension plugs here. See, they don't lock. So with vibration or humidity, you disconnect, and then we have all kind of alarms coming in the dashboard or the car not starting. And then when we tap on the board or shake the wires here, they shake the plugs because they were sitting on top of the cable, not underneath it, and then the car won't start. So in case somebody having similar problems, those plugs are broken in this side, and on the driver's side too, underneath the driver's seat there was a similar plug, same thing, was broken and wasn't working. So hopefully that's a final throw with this car, because as far we were able to duplicate the problem when we just touch it like this and the car won't start. Right, so we clean them, we put contact silicone, tune up dielectric grease basically, and now the car is starting. We're just gonna lock them up with straps so they don't open again, and hopefully that's the end of it.